r squared. We're going to do some quick review over how to find area, and then we're going to find area of the sector. So first one, find the area of this circle. It's got a radius of 4.2 meters. So take your area and plug in your radius, please. Okay, just like yesterday, you can write it in two ways. You can write it in terms of pi, and you can actually get the decimal value. We're going to do both. So can you guys just, for now, just do 4.2 squared? Should be 17.64. 17.64 pi. You do need a calculator, yes. Meters squared. If your homework asks for the exact area, that's how you have to write it. But you can go ahead and multiply this out. Go ahead and do that. And we'll round to the 10. Reese, what do you got for the area? 55.4. We're doing area today, so it has to be units squared, meters squared. So start with your formula as before. And here's the thing. You want the diameter, which is 2 times the radius. So we still have to solve for the radius, but then afterwards we just have to double it. So put 201 for your area. And we have to solve for the radius. How would I get rid of the pi?
Divide.
Divide by pi. Go ahead and do that in your calculator, but don't clear out your answer after you're done. So 201 divided by pi, please. Remember, there's a pi button. We are not using 3.14. 63.98. That's what I'm going to write for now. Don't clear it out of your calculator, especially if you have one of mine. So in case you didn't know this, most calculators have an answer button that you can use instead of typing in a new value. You can use that. So in a second, we're going to do this. To get rid of the squared, we do what to both sides? Square root. So we're going to take the square root of this number, but instead of going to your calculator and typing in the square root of 63.98, you can use the answer button. Okay, the radius is about 8 inches. I want the diameter, so we need to double that, multiply by 2. Diameter is about 16 inches.
Do we need to put about?
Yeah, because you surrounded. This shaded part that you see, this is called a sector. It's a section of the circle, sector, section. So it's part of the circle. It's like a pie piece. Sometimes, however, just like you saw in your warm-up, it's going to be more than that. So it could keep going. Just look for what's shaded. Okay. Find the area of the sector formed by RQS. We're going to find the shaded one. Before you can set up this proportion, just like yesterday, you have to find the area first. So area of the entire circle is pi r squared. What's my radius? 5. Radius is 5. So pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So your area you're going to leave in terms of pi as 25 pi. Okay, we're going to use that. And we're going to make a proportion. Area of the sector, we do not know. We do know the area of the whole circle. is 25 pi. And then just like yesterday, smaller degree over 360. So the degree measure for that section is 63 degrees over the whole circle. 360. Okay, just like yesterday, you cross multiply and solve. So that would be 360x. What is going on? And for now, leave it in terms of pi. Don't go ahead and don't multiply it out yet. It's like 1575 pi. If you divide by 360, you will be done. In your calculator, make sure you put this part in parentheses. Sam, what do you got for the area of this sector?
13.7.
Okay, what's my units? Right, sorry, my bad. We're going to go with then units squared. We are finding the area of the circle this time. So we don't need to start by solving for anything because everything we need is already given to us. Area of the sector is what? 22 meters squared. Over area of the circle, that's what we want to know. That's equal to the degree part, so 45 degrees, over the whole, 360. Cross multiply and solve, please, to get the area of the circle in meters squared. Actually, it's not approximate, right? It's actually equal to. Is exact.